Welcome to Hyperlinks Part 2. In this video I'm going to show you how to make hyperlinks within your website. So we've already got hyperlinks that go outside our website to Wikipedia pages. Now we're going to add a few that go inside our page. So we're on our index page and we're going to make 3 new pages, one called Bulldogs, one called Foxies, and one called She. Okay, just try to keep those names simple, one word or lowercase. So I'm going to add some hyperlinks in here now to my index page and then save it. So I'm just going to go underneath my image here and just say go to Bulldogs page, and I'm going to mouse over that and insert a hyperlink. Okay, and this one is just going to be Bulldogs. Just call it Bulldogs. Am I spelling right? .html. Click OK. So that's linked. And then under Foxies, I'm just going to say go to mouse over the words Foxies page, insert hyperlink, so it will be xis.html. Keep it to one word or lowercase when you're writing the name of another page. Click OK, the link comes in, and then finally go to just mouse over that, insert hyperlink. I'm just going to call it SHIH. I don't want any hyphens or second words. SHIH.html, click OK. So those 3 links are in there. Control S to save, my asterisk up here goes away, and that page is right to go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create 3 new pages. So to do that, I'm going to change my heading here to Bulldogs. And I'm going to delete the rest of it. So it's just a page that's about Bulldogs. I'm going to save that, file, save as, and I'm just going to call it Bulldog. Now, what did I call that? Bulldogs. I'm just trying to think. I'll call it Bulldogs. Save. Okay, close that one. Open up my page again. And the next one I'm going to call is Mini Foxies. I'm going to delete out the Bulldog information. And I'm going to delete out the Shih Tzu information. Delete that out as well. And file, save as foxies.html, save. Close that one and open my next page again, and finally I'm going to call this page Shih Tzus. I'm going to take out all the Bulldog and Foxy information. I don't need, go to the Shih Tzu page, and I save that as shih.html and save. Okay, so I'm ready to check this now. I'm just going to close that one, go to my folder, and I'm going to open up my index page. So I'm going to make it in Chrome Chrome is probably a better browser to view the wrong one. Let's try that again. Okay, so if we click on Bulldog's page, okay, it'll take me to the Bulldog page. If I click on Foxy's page, goes to the Foxy's page. And if I go to the Shih Tzu page, it goes to the Shih Tzu page. What would be good is I had another link here at the bottom or somewhere to go back to the main index page, sort of like a back button or go back to home or something like that. But from here on in, I'm going to show you a much better way of organising our whole website and in fact using menus instead of hyperlinks. So see how you go with that. If you have any trouble, let me know, but you should be able to put those links in and get the links working and then be able to go back for your back button.